Hey guys! Here is the Digibird channel. Today's video is all about a common issue that many iPad users face: forgetting their iPad password. We've all been there, entering the wrong iPad password one too many times and getting locked out. If you're experiencing this frustration, take it easy, 'cause we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you 3 easy ways to help you unlock your iPad that you forgot the password to. Ready to regain access to your iPad? Let's jump right in. A quick reminder before we proceed: the methods we're about to discuss involve resetting your iPad, resulting in the permanent loss of all data. Hopefully, you've created a backup of your iPad beforehand to recover your lost data. Here we'll explore the first method to unlock your iPad with a forgotten password. That is the Erase iPad option built in on your iPad. This handy feature helps reset and unlock your iPad without using any other tool, like a cable or computer. Just your iPad in hand. Want to know how it works? Let's delve deeper into the steps. Keep entering incorrect passcodes on your iPad until you see the iPad unavailable or security lockout screen. The Erase iPad option will appear in the bottom right corner. Tap it twice. Now you need to enter your Apple ID password into the blank and tap Erase here. Your iPhone will then start to reset automatically. Once done, it'll be unlocked and show the welcome screen. You can now take the setup steps to start your iPad from scratch or use the backup to recover your data. Notice that the Erase iPad option will only show up in the iPad running iPadOS 15.2 or later. If you have enabled the Find My iPad feature on your iPad and linked it to your iCloud account, then the Find My feature in iCloud can also be helpful for unlocking your iPad with a forgotten password. Start by going to iCloud.com in a browser and signing into your Apple ID account on another device. Here we use an iPhone to show you the steps. Locate and select the Find My option on the new page. Now choose your iPad from the list at the bottom. Tap the Erase iPad option here. Confirm by pressing Continue on the pop-up message. This will remove all data from your device, including the forgotten password. None of the previously mentioned methods have worked for you to unlock your iPad? Well, there's another powerful solution that can come to your rescue: the AppGeeker iPhone Unlocker. It's a reliable program designed to unlock your iPad when you forgot the lock screen password. It also helps bypass forgotten screen time passcode and Apple ID password. Curious to know more about this incredible unlocking tool? Simply visit the website here. Or you can also refer to the link conveniently placed in the video description below for quick access. To use this software, you need to download and install it first on your PC or Mac. After you installed it, open it on the desktop and choose the blue option Wipe Passcode from the menu. Hit Start to go on. On the new page, click this link Device is connected but not recognized to get full instructions on putting your iPad into recovery mode. Follow the steps accordingly for your iPad model. Once your iPad gets detected, you'll be then asked to confirm your device information. Select your iPad information and click Start. A firmware package will begin to download based on your iPad model. When it's finished, enter 4 zeros and click Unlock on the next page to trigger the reset on your iPad. Wait for a while and your iPhone will get unlocked and restart like a brand new device. Well, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to make comments below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to us for more latest videos. Thanks.